Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite on your OnePlus Nord CE2. So in order to do that, we'll need to open any browser, and in this case I'll be using Google Chrome. Now start searching for an app. It's Fortnite space mobile and select search. Now click on the first link that is shown right here and click in this Epic Games logo right here. Scroll down and wait till you see the window like this. Press OK. When it's done, we can open the file, and the phone might ask you for permission to install unknown apps for the Google Chrome. So let me just grant this permission and install the app again. When it's done, we can open the app, and from here select any game we want, but we want Fortnite, so let's press on the get for Fortnite. Now install, and the game will install on your device. After it's done, you can press on play like that, but first allow the access for the Epic Game Store as well and press install. Open, and the game will download its files yet again, but in this case this will be inside the game. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.